In this video, I will show you how to vote in the UK. We all know that on 7th May 2026, we got local elections in all part of the England. Local election will held for 4,851 council seats across 134 of England, 317 councils on Thursday 7th May 2026. So for this, just go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write how to vote. When you will click search, this will take you to this page. Click how to vote. This is where this gives you all the details. So first of all is check if you can vote. That's where the conditions are mentioned. Number 2, register to vote. If you have not registered yet, you can apply online and get that done. If you wanted to apply by post, it's a bit late for these elections, but you can do that for next election. Decide if you want to vote in person, by post or by proxy. Get ready to vote in person. Check what ID you need to vote. Later on in this video, we will discuss which IDs you can take. Apply for Voters Authority Certificate. Contact your electoral registrar office. If you don't know which one to contact, just click on this link, put the postcode in. Let's suppose if I put this postcode, find your local council, Westminster. Click on this one. This is where on the first page you will see how to register to vote in 2026 elections. Each council got the same pattern. This is where they have explained what you need, how to vote, and all the details. Now let's discuss the ID forms which you can use. So your passport is acceptable, your driving license, this includes provisional license. This is the common question. Many people do think that the full driving license you need. No, the provisional is also acceptable. Blue badge. Number 3, certain concessionary travel cards. Number 4, identity card with pass mark, proof of age standard scheme. Number 5, biometric immigration document. For example, if you got any document which provide you that kind of details. BRPs are expired, so that might not be acceptable because they got all expired date on it. Next one is defense identity card. Another one is certain national identity cards. You are also acceptable with a voter authority certificate, VAC. Now let's discuss voting as a proxy for someone else. So for this, again, you go on gov.uk. The last section, voting as a proxy for someone else, click on this. You may be asked to vote on behalf of someone else if they are unable to vote in person. This is called proxy vote. To be a proxy, you must be registered to vote, allowed to vote in the type of election taking place, able to vote at the polling station on their polling card. Who can be a proxy? You can be proxy for either up to 2 people. Up to 4 people if at least 2 of them are registered to vote from abroad. Next, you will go on the same page, vote in UK elections. Go down, look for the vote as a proxy. So apply for a proxy vote. Click on this one. You have 2 options, apply for proxy vote, apply by post for a proxy vote. So let's suppose apply online for proxy vote. You click on this one. This is where this gives you the important condition is you need to apply by 5 p.m. on 28th April to vote by proxy in the 7th May election 2026. So you still have time. Click start now. Then after that, this will take you to this page. Before you start, this means they must be registered to vote in the UK. They have photo ID if they are voting in person. Be proxy to no more than 4 people, including you. You must confirm with your proxy that they are eligible and can vote for you. You must have contact details for your proxy, including the UK address where they are registered to vote. What you will need to provide? You need to provide UK address, your NI number, for example, passport or any other ID document, the specific date, an image of your signature written with a pen during this application. How to provide your signature image? That's what they have explained. It's very easy. Continue. Are you registered to vote? Yes. Let's suppose. Click continue. Have you changed your name? So no. Where are you registered to vote? So let's suppose England. Continue. Why are you applying for proxy vote? So you have loads of options over here. Let's suppose you are not well. You cannot travel, you're disabled. How long do you need a proxy vote? So let's suppose the maximum time allowed. Next question is, you cannot apply online if you need a proxy vote, maximum time allowed. So go back, let's change for one or more election. Click continue, enter the date of election. So let's suppose 7th May 2026, enter the date, continue. Next is enter the postcode SW1A2AA, for example. Address found. So let's suppose I'll just select this for as an example. Enter your details, your name in it. Continue. Have you had any previous names? So no, for example. Continue. What is your date of birth? Enter your date of birth. Enter your NI number. Next question is, can you write your signature? So let's suppose yes, which is very easy. So you'll write the signature on a paper like this, and then you will create an image, and then you will upload that image. So this is how you will do it. Click continue. Upload your signature. So you will upload over here. Next question is, do you want to submit the signature? Yes. Continue. How you would like to be contacted? So by email or by you can call me. So let's suppose you can have both the options. Next question is, has your proxy confirmed they are eligible? Yes. Continue. Has your proxy agreed to vote for you? Yes. What is your proxy full name? So you will enter the name, all the details. Continue. What is your proxy UK address? Next question is, choose how your proxy would like to be contacted. So click continue. Next question is, check your answers before you submit. Check all the answers and then accept and send. So in short, this is very easy. You can do all this by yourself. Everything is available on gov.uk. Just write vote in UK elections, and this is where they have provided all the details.